Today, we will be answering another NEBOSH IGC1 question. Outline why it is important for an organization's health and safety policy to include targets. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to HSE tutorials. When it comes to workplace safety, having a policy isn't enough. You need clear targets. But why are these targets so important? Let's break it down. 1. It enables measurement of performance and assessment of progress over time, helping management to see if safety levels are improving. 2. It demonstrates genuine leadership and commitment from senior management, showing the organization is serious about safety. 3. It motivates staff by giving them clear, tangible objectives to work towards. Facilitates continual improvement by providing benchmarks during audits, reviews, and monitoring. Fourth, it supports accountability and risk management, especially when targets are aligned with legal compliance and risk priorities.